All right. Today we went to Menards and found these really cute little planters. And we looked up how to do them and realized there's no video. So we're going to make a video. All right. So the instructions say in a separate bowl, dissolve warming medium in half a cup of warm water, fluff with fork, and place into pot. Sow seeds and lightly cover with growing medium. Okay, so we already did one, but we're going to pretend this is the first time. This one is Dizzy Fizzy Daisy Drink. So cute. And here's the picture of what it's supposed to look like when it's grown. This is the grow medium. I guess it's like soil, perhaps. Half a cup of warm water. Put them both in there real quick because they dissolve very quickly. Well, I put hot water in there earlier and it soaked it up real quick. Looks like we'll need more water. Woo! That is strong. Smells like soil. It says fluff it up with a fork. Looks like it's nice and fluffed. Put it in here. It give you more than enough soil, that's for sure. Oh, I can put this in my starters, the rest of the soil. Oops.
You want to remind everybody where we found these?
Menards. On the clearance aisle. I think it was $3.50. But they're so cute. Look how cute this little pansy pop is. And then we have orange pop. And these are from buzzyseeds.com. We're going to put seeds in there. These are Daisy Silver Princess. There's plenty of seeds in there. I'll put a little bit more soil on top. It says keep moist, do not overwater. Will germinate in 7 to 21 days. So 1 to 3 weeks. And it didn't say what to do with the lid, so I just made it a little stand. So I'm gonna put it in a warm, sunny place. There we go. And this video is not sponsored, but it should be. There you go. Oh, and I also got this beautiful orchid. I don't know what color that is, but it looks like prehistoric. It's unbelievable. So it came home even though I kill orchids. Hello, Stephen. Everybody meet Stephen.
There's Steve the cat.
Hey,
Steve the cat.
Hey, Steve. All right. Hi, Steve. I see you. Steve. Fresh dirt. The smell of fresh dirt. Steve requires attention.
You want to show everybody what the seeds look like?
They look like seeds. I just want to grab it and throw it back. I know it says half a cup of warm water, but I swear this requires a full cup. The hotter the water, the better it dissolves that growing medium. To be honest, if this was in a little like terracotta pot, I wouldn't buy it. Now we have these seeds. Oh, I can't read this. Calendula officinulus balls orange. Okay. Well, these seeds are kind of bigger. This is a lot of seeds. Oh, this is way too many seeds.
The seeds.
For this little spot. That's why it's guaranteed to grow. They gave you 500 of them. One of them will grow. All right. Wait, did it say which one? This is 1/4 of an inch deep. I better.
The other one was 1/8.
Yeah, and this one says it'll grow in 1 to 2 weeks. This one's gonna grow faster. I probably put too much soil in this one. All right, in 7 to 21 days, these should be growing. So I probably won't post a photo or a video, but hopefully they're as pretty as the pictures on the side. And now we've made a video showing you how to do it. I'll put this extra soil in my other plants. Thanks for watching.